A lion spots a leopard passed out high in a tree and instantly gets mad. Bro really skipped work just to nap up there, so the lion climbs up to teach him a lesson. Bad idea. The leopard picked the highest spot possible while the lion's halfway up fighting for his life. Then the leopard wakes up, looks back, and realizes this dude cannot climb. So he just stands there watching the struggle. A few seconds later, the lion slips and falls straight out of the tree, and yeah, he even wrecked his leg. Didn't scare the leopard once, just embarrassed himself in 4K.